University, Imphal. Reply to D. Sir, information is being sought. To E. Sir, the Government of Meghalaya on 7th of February 2005 has handed over any ECL land measuring 18 crores, more or less, located at Umtia to the Central Agriculture University, Imphal, for setting up of a constituent college of postgraduate studies for agriculture sciences. To F, reply to F, yes sir. Reply to G, sir, the Government of India has responded by forwarding a copy of statement laid on the table of the House of Parliament, Lok Sabha, on 25th of June 2019.
Honourable Speaker, is it true that the Government of India has already sanctioned 5 crores for installation of infrastructure of the same?
So as of now, the amount that has been given for the infrastructure, infrastructure for the Central Agriculture University is 45 crores.
Speaker, sir, may I have a repeat of the reply? How many crores?
45.44 crores.
Honourable Speaker, sir, as per the statement made on the floor of the House, what is the progress of the demand for the state of Meghalaya to have its own agricultural university?
So we have been pursuing this matter, and we have got the reply from the Government of India a number of times that the Government of India is examining these matters.
Honourable Speaker, sir, since 2019, this matter is pending. May I know, therefore, whether resolution for seats of our own students have been pursued in silo of the inability of the Government of India to resolve this matter tabled in 2019 in the Parliament?
So I just inform the Honourable Member of the House that this matter in fact has been pending not from 2019 but from 2008. It's been more than that, and this has gone through a series of events, and the original proposal came up in 2008. Then after that, in 2009, the Planning Commission also had approved this proposal. In fact, the committee of the Department of Agriculture Research Examination Education had also had visited the sites and inspected it. In fact, in 2010, the DARE and the Secretary of ICR had approved the implemented site. So this has been going on, sir. In fact, even the revised jurisdiction was put in by the DARE. Then the EFC also had cleared this in 2010, 2011. In 2013, in fact, there was an outlay of 300 crores for this project. And in fact, in 2015 was the year when there was a proposal to establish this through the Act of Parliament. And further, again, different meetings took place at ICR where certain other observations were made, because of which things started changing. And as per today, sir, the communication with Government of India is on. And we are still pursuing this matter. We are still very committed to this cause. As I said, this has been something that means a lot to the people of the state and to the region, and it will go a long way in helping the agriculture sector in the region as a whole. And regarding the seats, sir, as per the arrangements that have been done, those arrangements will obviously continue in the agriculture universities.
So, post-bifurcation of the existing CAU Imphal, may I know the mind of the Meghalaya government to ensure that we start our own Central Agricultural University at the designated site in Barapani?
Honourable Speaker, sir, since 2019, this matter is pending. May I know, therefore, whether resolution for seats of our own students have been pursued in silo of the inability of the Government of India to resolve this matter tabled in 2019 in the Parliament?
The
So that is what my reply is, sir, that this can only be done when there is when there would be an establishment by an Act of Parliament to be introduced under entry 64 of the list, to be considered that the proposed CAU is of national interest. Till that is not put up in the Parliament, sir, so the establishment of the CAU in Kridam-Kulai area cannot be done, and therefore the question of bifurcation doesn't come till then. But till that time, we as a government have been pursuing this matter at every level. I have written to the Honorable Prime Minister a number of times, to the Honorable Agriculture Minister. The Honorable Governor has written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Agriculture Minister. And also the Honorable Agriculture Minister of the state has written to the Honorable Agriculture Minister. So we are pursuing the matter, sir.
We have one last supplementary.
Yes, Honourable Speaker, therefore, may I get an assurance from the Honourable Chief Minister of the Government of Meghalaya to take this up in all earnesty and to make sure that we befittingly get our own agricultural university, sir.
Sir, the concerns of the Honourable Member are the same as ours. So we are very much committed to this. This has been something that the government has really wanted and pushed for. And as I mentioned, sir, this will not just be for our state, but the jurisdiction will also cover Nagaland and other regions in the state. So therefore, it's a very, very important project. And as I said, we have been relentlessly following this up with central government. And it's not something that I can give a commitment today that it will be done. But definitely, I can assure the House that we will continue to pursue this like we have done in the past also.